slowly rolled up weeds. But when I still had all my wealth, back when free will was something I believed. Jack's dad ran a candle store. Jill used to say we made the perfect team. Well, all I did was mop the floor, but at least I kept the line all clean. Staring down the barrel of a loaded gun, at least I had my fun. To change the walls, Jill found him praying on his hands and knees. She laughed and said it was absurd, just have a kid or go and plant some trees. One night the corn filled with smoke could be enough to jack-o'-lantern flame. But by the time that I awoke, we all knew who the cops were going to blame. I guess I'll have